2, 3 laps they must run. Here they go around the first lap and into the figure 8. Lady in the stripes, it's slippery out there. Yes, she's got people left and her right of her. It's going the 8 the other way. They had to go the figure 8.
Look at the carnage under the botchery. This is awesome.
We're 1.5 laps into a 3-lap race. Who's going to get the $700? Who's thinking it's going to go?
One in the grave. Yeah.
Come on, ladies, we got to go cheer them on. Run for 700. Run for 700. Do we know who's in first place yet?
Keep going.
Have we figured this out?
Whoa.
We got ourselves a winner. These ladies getting on through the mud. That's too bad. Sorry for the slipping.